Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'll be preparing paneer pakoda, but this paneer pakoda is stuffed with some chutney and I've served it as hot as possible. This turned out excellent. It was very nice and creamy. Especially the chutney filled inside the paneer was very nice and tasty. I've used very simple ingredients for this recipe. Let's look into all the ingredients required and get started. Here I've laid out all the ingredients. I'll be using paneer. This paneer is 200 grams. I've chopped it into small pieces or smaller cubes, and I've cut the cube in the middle, not all the way through, because I'm going to be stuffing chutney in this paneer. I've laid out all the ingredients required for the batter and the chutneys. For the batter, we'll be using chickpea flour. I've already shown you how to prepare mint chutney. I'll link the chutney recipe in the description box below this video. I'll be using garlic and chili chutney. For the batter, we'll be using chili powder, asafoetida, carom seeds, cooking soda and cumin powder. I'll start preparing the batter first. So in the chickpea flour, I've added the chili powder, carom seeds, asafoetida, cumin powder. I've added water and hot oil, 2 tablespoons of hot oil and salt as per taste. I'll combine all the ingredients. We're gradually adding water and I'll make it into a batter form. We need this batter slightly thinner than the pancake batter. So once the batter soaks, it will be easy for us to prepare the pakoda. Also heat some oil in a wok. Place it on low flame so that it's easy for us to prepare the pakodas once the paneer is stuffed. Now you can see the consistency of this batter. If you dip your finger itself, it should coat your finger, or if you dip your spoon, it should coat the spoon. Now this pakoda batter is ready. It's nice and smooth. It doesn't have any sort of lumps in it. I've taken the paneer and I'll gently be applying some chutney in the middle. So both the chutney recipes are very simple to prepare. I've just used mint chutney and garlic and chili chutney. All these chutneys you can prepare ahead of time and store it in the fridge. You can use both the chutneys for many chaat dishes, and especially for this pakodas it tastes excellent. So once I've stuffed the paneer with some chutney, I'm going to dip it in the pakoda batter and deep fry it. If you noticed, I've not used a very large piece of paneer because it's tough for us to dip it in the batter and then transfer it to the oil. The paneer being very soft, it might break in the batter. So it is always better to chop it into small pieces. And anyways, when we are frying the pakodas, it is going to double in volume. So here I've started to fry the paneer. Once I've dipped it in the batter, I remove the excess batter and I've dropped it directly in the hot oil. I've placed the oil on medium flame now and I'm frying it. Gently fry the paneer, otherwise it's going to turn rubbery. So once this turns golden brown in color, I'll drain it from the oil and plate it. It took me a minute's time to fry on each side. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. The same recipes are translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links will also be listed in the description box below this video. Now you can see the paneer pakoda has turned golden brown in color. I've drained it from the excess oil and I'm going to be serving it as hot as possible. When you serve it as hot as possible, the paneer will be nice and soft in the middle and it will have a very good texture. So serve this as warm and hot as possible. I'll be preparing the second batch in the same manner. Don't use large chunks of paneer. That is a pro tip that I can give you. Otherwise it will break in the batter. Now you can see how easily I've prepared this paneer pakoda. I've served this hot for chai. During tea time and throughout the day in India, these types of pakodas are sold in street corners and it's very famous. We thoroughly enjoyed this paneer pakoda with some ginger chai. Especially for this monsoon weather, this is perfect. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, do like, comment, try this recipe and post your comments. Tag me on Instagram. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.